Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Homemaxs Cookie Cutters. Yeah, that's the newest version of them from 2020. 15 pieces of Christmas cookie cutters for us all, for kids, for adults, for winter time. And of course, you can use that in the summertime too, no problem. Yeah, no problem with that. And with 100 pieces of cookie candy bags. Oh yeah. You have so different sizes, so different shapes of them. Snowflake, candy bag, Christmas tree, and more and more and more. For DIY baking, cake crafting, pastry bakeware decoration, yeah. That's an exquisite cookie cutters. The Christmas cookie cutters contains 15 different patterns, so it is the most complete and richest cookie cutter set on the market. For example, they have classic, popular gingerbread man and deer, etc. in that set. At the same time, they also have popular Christmas trees, walking sticks, socks, belts, and so on. Cookie cutters for kids are very suitable because they are so protected on their upper side. It is not you can not easy cut your fingers with them because you have to cut the dog with them. It comes with stainless steel. These are stainless steel cookie cutters. The 15-piece of Christmas cookie cutter set is made of upgraded 304 food grade stainless steel, which can be in direct contact with food. No problem. We can eat with convenience, and it's very safe. The certified stainless steel cookie cutters won't rust after being rinsed with water. Yes, but please keep it dry after cleaning. And that are upgraded cookie cutters. The second cookie cutters won't bend or break as easily as other cookie cutters. And that's right. Before I have used that cookie cutters, I have the €1 cookie cutters at my kitchen area, and there are so easy to bend, etc. Really. But they are really tough. The second cookie cutters won't bend or break as easily, really. And the smooth edge of the cookie cutters won't hurt our hands, which is very suitable for kids and adults too. Christmas cookie cutters are suitable for Christmas, autumn parties, family gatherings, and various birthday parties too. And it's really easy to use and clean. Just plate the cookie cutters shapes down and gently press it to quickly create different Christmas cookie patterns. The cookie cutters won't stick to the dough, and the demolding is quick and easy. The Christmas cookie set is easy to clean and safe for dishwasher. Awesome. Perfect baking set. All in one package, as you can see. The cookie cutters is a good helper for baking, and it can cut all kinds of Christmas cookie shapes that children love. We can enjoy a variety of Christmas themed patterns that are DIY with children, for example. The cookie cutters comes with 100 pieces of exquisite cookie candy bags, which can pack the biscuit more beautiful and uniquely. It is the best gift for relatives and friends, of course, and it makes so much fun if you have the Christmas bakery opened every year. And with stainless steel, that's better, made of high quality stainless steel, stable for long lasting use. The certified stainless steel cookie cutters won't rust after being rinsed with water, and that it is. It's a high quality product. It is an upgraded cookie cutters version because the thickened cookie cutters won't bend or break easily, and the cookie cutters, that's so awesome because it is so professional. You stand there in your kitchen and you're going to make some delicious cookies, and it is not good if the cookie cutters are sticked on the dog. No, 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 no. In this case, it's the upgraded cookie cutter version. So, with a stainless steel body and this nice shape, you won't not hurt yourself, or you will not hurt your dog at the false positions. And if you're finished with them, then you have awesome, delicious, and good cookies. And these cookies, you can, for example, you can give them away by using one of the 100 of Pcs Exquisite cookie candy bags. What is in that set? Yeah, this is Exquisite. It's a cookie candy bag which can pack the biscuit more beautiful and so unique. It is the best gift for our friends and family members. And so nice. Gingerbread, man. Cookie cutters shape. That's awesome. But my favorite are the stars. The twinkle little stars are the best, I think, though. You can choose by your own because you will get 50 of that cookie cutters. And there it is. Cookie cutters dimensions. For example, snowman. 2.4 inches to 3.2 inches. Or what we have more, we can the house. The house is a big one, 2.4 inches to 2.6 inches. You can see the dimensions are in a good shape, in a good dimension is really good. And the Christmas tree have a shape of 2.7 inches to 3.5 inches. And as you can see, it's really easy to use and it makes the job done quickly. These are the Homemaxs Cookie Cutters. This is the new version of 2020. 15 pieces of Christmas cookie cutters for all of us with 100 cookie candy bags. Oh, that's awesome. Merry Christmas. Oh, but it's more for the pre-Christmas time, okay? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel soon.